everyone, welcome back to Helping Mind. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off the emergency call feature on your Samsung phone completely. So let's get started. First steps, open your settings app and now scroll down and find out safety and emergency, or sometimes it called advanced feature depending on your phone model. Next, tap on Emergency SOS and here you will see the option send SOS messages or emergency SOS via side button. Just I have to here turn off or switch off, disable this feature. Now I will turn off and share info the emergency contacts. Now I will go back to the settings to turn off the next steps. In these steps, remove emergency call from lock screen. If you also want to remove the emergency call button from your lock screen, again you have to go to settings and here you have to find out lock screen. I have to tap on lock screen and here I have to tap on secure lock settings and here you have to input your pattern or pin lock and here you will see lock network and security and you have to disable the toggle from here. I have to tap on lock screen and lock network and security. Now it's disabled from your lock screen. Now I will go back to the home screen. In this step, we have to stop side key SOS setting. Some phones trigger SOS when you press the power button quickly. To stop SOS call settings, you have to again go to phone settings and find out advanced features. I have to tap on advanced features and here tap on side keys and here make sure emergency SOS is turned off there too. Here if you find the SOS turn off, you have to turn off this settings from here. So viewers, that's it. You will successfully turn off emergency calls on your Samsung phone. No more accidental SOS calls. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.